In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snowflake on Metabase 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have your Snowflake warehouse connected to Metabase, so you can explore data, build charts, and share insights with your team. Before we start, make sure you have admin access to your Metabase workspace and valid Snowflake credentials with permission to read the schemas you care about. If your Snowflake account restricts network access, confirm that your Metabase server is allowed. First, head to your Metabase site and sign in. From the main dashboard, open the admin area. You can get there from the settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. In admin, go to the databases section. This is where all data connections live. If this is your first time setting things up, you might also see a prompt to add a database directly. Either route is fine, we're aiming for the same place. Next, choose Snowflake as the database type. Selecting Snowflake ensures Metabase uses the correct driver and gives you the right set of fields for the connection. If you don't see Snowflake as an option, you may need to update Metabase to a recent version, or enable the Snowflake driver in your Metabase settings. Picking the correct adapter here prevents a lot of confusion later. Now click Add a Database and fill in the connection details. Give the database a clear display name so your team recognizes it. Enter your Snowflake account identifier and, if required, region and cloud platform details exactly as they appear in your Snowflake console. Provide the warehouse you plan to run queries on, the database and default schema you want Metabase to explore, and the role that grants read access to those objects. Add the username and authentication method your organization uses, whether that's a standard password or key-based IUth. For security, a read-only user is a good practice. In advanced options, you can refine things like time zone handling, SSL settings, or query tags if your team uses them. Before saving, use the test connection button. If it fails, double-check the account identifier format, verify that the warehouse, database, and role exist and are spelled correctly, and confirm your network allow list includes the Metabase server. When the test passes, click Save. Metabase will begin syncing tables and fields and may automatically scan for values to power filters. This can take a few minutes depending on your Snowflake size. Once syncing finishes, you'll see your Snowflake connection in Metabase. Open Browse Data or start a new question, pick a table, and begin exploring with the Visual Query Builder, or switch to SQL if you prefer. That's it, you're connected and ready to analyze.